everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm very thrilled to share my first bullet journal setup with you guys. This is just an overview of 2024 bullet journal year and January's bullet journal. If you're into creative journaling, don't forget to subscribe and join our communities. Today's theme is all about mending a broken art, so let's dive in. Starting off with the month of love, we are diving into February's calendar. I have incorporated some soft pastels for the pinkish love. I will be incorporating a broken art theme symbolizing the ups and downs of love. Stay tuned as we fill these pages with creativity, emotions, and especially love. Moving on to something truly special, a glass shaped art piece breaking down and letting love flow throughout the pages. Here I have used pink colors, different shades of pinks, as it's February month, which everyone say a love month. So yeah, this is my theme for the February month, and hope you enjoy this drawing. So as you can see, I added a river, a love bled river which floats throughout the bullet journal of February, throughout the pages. And here I added some shadows for the February month, and I cutted the page as it looks nice on this. So moving on to mood tracker, here I have done a art shaped mood tracker, which each day would be filled with colors reflecting different emotions. It was fun doing art shaped symmetric mood tracker. I seriously recommend you to do it, and I'm waiting to fill those days. Oops, I made a mistake. I should have written mood tracker instead of habit tracker. So I incorporated the next page with habit tracker. Names are interchanged, but mistakes happen. It's okay. So in the habit tracker, I include personal habits, workouts, skincare, and productivity of all 29 days. As same, I added some shadows for the font and highlighted with white pen and made a love blade river. On the next couple of pages, we are getting creative with calligraphy and auto tracker, and in the next page, content tracker. These two pages makes my life very easy as it tracks all my videos, posting times, and calligraphies and orders which I make for myself and the orders which others give. Yeah, then I made some simple tabs for both where I add date, titles, and for content I add Instagram logo, views, YouTube logo, and the same for calligraphy track. Let's talk about money. I have added a budget place for noting down the ins and outs of the money, and as usual the tabs which I added. The plus sign for income and the minus sign for expenses. It's all about staying financially organized. Now, on to my weekly spread. I like to keep it very simple, focusing on each day rather than a traditional weekly layout. Join me as we fill in their boxes for all 29 days. So enjoy the process of weekly spread now, where I have added the love blade river for every page. I use very simple products for making this. Here I have used brush pens, pastel brush pens, and for the river I have used soft pastels which comes in pink color. But yeah, it makes your hand very messy. Just flexing my hands. In the final stretch, I am reflecting on the month with key aspects, six key aspects, where I make six boxes. I name this page as a monthly reflection, where I include each boxes with describe month in one word, success of the month, savings, memorable moments, life lesson of the month, and what do I rate myself this month. For the last page, I simply write something in your heart, where I write whatever comes to my mind, whether it's a release of thought or a memory of the day I want to cherish. This page is a personal space for expression. Now, adding some last minute touches, filling the river with arts. And there you have it, the full overview of my February bullet journal. I hope you found inspiration in this journey. Remember, making mistakes is a part of creative journey. Before we wrap up, take a look at the detailed Valentine's week lines I included. If you enjoyed this, share it with fellow bullet journal enthusiasts. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Thank you for watching till the end and happy journaling.